Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Easily Speak. This is the place where English is easy and fun. I am Jamie.
And I am Alex. Hello, everyone. It is so nice to be here today.
Alex, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. I had my coffee, so I am ready. How are you, Jamie?
I am great. I had a very good morning today. I am very happy.
Oh, that is nice. A good morning is very important.
Yes, it is. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about daily routines.
Daily routines. I like this topic.
Everyone has a routine. We all do things every day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and at night.
Yes, and it is very good for English practice. We use simple words, easy words, words you can use every day.
Exactly. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button. A big thumbs up.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to English Easily Speak.
It helps us very much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. We love our listeners. Okay, Alex, let's start. Daily routines. Let's talk about the morning first.
Oh no, the morning.
You don't like the morning?
Jamie, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Really? I love the morning.
How? The morning is very hard for me. The alarm clock? I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, my alarm plays soft music. Nice and quiet.
That is a good idea. My alarm is very loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, not yet.
And do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button? 5 more minutes?
Yes, 5 more minutes. Then 5 more minutes. Then maybe 5 more minutes.
Alex! So when do you really get up?
When I am very late, I jump out of bed and I say, oh no, I am late.
That is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me, Jamie, when do you wake up?
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow, that is very early. Why?
I love the quiet. In the morning, the house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is very calm. I love it.
That sounds nice, but very early.
It is. And the first thing I do, the most important thing,
Coffee?
coffee. Yes. I go straight to the kitchen. I make my coffee.
Me too. Coffee is very important. How do you like your coffee, Jamie?
I like my coffee with a little milk. Warm and nice. How about you?
I like my coffee strong. Black coffee. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
Oh, strong coffee. Good for the morning.
Yes, I need it. And after coffee, I look at my phone. I check the news. I check my messages.
I don't look at my phone in the morning. I sit by the window. I drink my coffee. I just think. It is very peaceful.
That sounds very calm. Maybe I should try that.
You should. It is really nice. Okay, so we have our coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me because I wake up late. I eat toast. Just toast with butter. Or sometimes a banana. Very quick.
I eat a bigger breakfast. I like yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow, Jamie, you have a lot of time in the morning.
I wake up early, remember?
That is true. Okay, after breakfast, we get ready. I take a shower, a hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is very good in the morning.
Yes, and then the hard part.
What is the hard part?
Choosing clothes. I open my closet, I look at my clothes. I have many clothes, shirts, pants, and I always think I have nothing to wear.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. It is silly, right? So many clothes, but nothing to wear.
Exactly. What about you, Jamie? How do you choose your clothes?
I keep it simple. I have a few basic colors. I grab something quickly. Done. No thinking.
That is very smart. I spend too much time thinking about clothes.
Okay, so we are ready. Time to go to work. How do you go to work, Alex?
I take the bus.
The bus. Is it okay?
It is okay, but it is very crowded. Many people. I don't like crowded places. But I put in my headphones. I listen to music. Or a podcast.
A podcast? Which podcast?
Sometimes English Easily Speak.
Good choice. I drive my car to work.
Oh, nice. That is comfortable.
It is comfortable, but the traffic. So many cars. Very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
Oh, that is frustrating.
Very frustrating. I listen to music in the car. Loud music. It helps.
Okay, so we are at work. What is your workday like, Jamie?
It is busy. The first thing I do at work? More coffee.
Of course.
Then I sit at my desk, I turn on my computer, and there are so many emails.
Yes, so many emails every day.
I read emails, I write emails. Then I have meetings. Many meetings.
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job. But yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. Food. Do you bring lunch from home or buy lunch?
I bring my lunch. I make a sandwich or a salad at home in the morning.
Wow, Jamie. You make eggs, you make lunch. You are very organized.
I try. It is also cheaper. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That is true. I am not organized. I buy my lunch. There is a small cafe near my office. I buy a sandwich there. It is very good.
That sounds nice.
And I walk there. 10 minutes of walking. It is good to get out of the office.
Yes, walking is important. And in the afternoon, around 3 o'clock, I get very sleepy.
Oh, yes. 3 o'clock is dangerous.
So dangerous. My eyes get heavy. I drink some tea, green tea, and I eat a small snack, an apple.
An apple. Very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too. Okay, 5 o'clock, work is finished.
The best moment of the day. I get on the bus. I am very tired. I just look out the window.
I get in my car. The traffic is bad again, but I am happy because I am going home.
Yes, home is the best. Jamie, what is the first thing you do when you get home?
I put down my bag, I take off my shoes, and then I say hello to my dog. His name is Max.
Oh, you have a dog. That is so sweet.
Yes, Max is always so happy to see me. He jumps, he runs around. It is the best feeling.
I love that. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Oh, Luna, is she happy to see you?
She is a cat. So she looks at me, she says meow, and then she walks away.
What does that mean?
It means, hello, now give me food. Cats are the boss.
Luna is the boss of your home.
100%. Okay, so after we say hello to our pets,
What next?
I change my clothes. This is very important. I take off my work clothes. I put on comfortable clothes. A soft t-shirt. Easy pants.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes feel so good after a long day.
So good. And then, dinner. Are you hungry at this time, Alex?
Always. Do you cook dinner, Jamie?
I do. I really like cooking. It is relaxing for me. I put on some music, I cut vegetables, I make soup or pasta. It is very enjoyable.
Wow. I do not enjoy cooking. I am a bad cook.
Really? How bad?
Very bad. I burn things. I burned rice. I burned chicken. One time, I burned water.
Alex, how do you burn water?
I forgot it on the stove. All the water was gone. Just an empty pot.
Oh my goodness!
So now I cook simple things. Pasta with tomato sauce, eggs, or I order pizza.
Pizza is always a good idea.
Always. What do you make, Jamie?
Simple things too. Vegetable soup, pasta, sometimes rice with chicken. Nothing difficult.
That sounds delicious. Okay, dinner is finished. It is maybe 7 o'clock. What do you do next?
I clean the kitchen, then I sit on my sofa. It is a big, soft sofa, very comfortable, and Max sits next to me.
That is so nice. And then?
Sometimes I watch a show, something funny, or I read a book. I love reading. What about you?
I sit on my sofa too. Luna jumps on my lap. She sleeps on me. And I watch TV. I like funny movies. After a long day, I need to laugh.
Laughing is very important. And I also walk Max before bed. We go outside. It is quiet at night. I look at the sky, the stars. It is very peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Luna does not want walks. She stays home.
Of course. Okay, Alex, last question. What time do you go to sleep?
Late. Maybe 11:30, sometimes midnight.
Midnight? Alex, that is very late.
I know. I watch one more movie, or I read something on my phone, and then suddenly it is midnight.
And then in the morning, you are tired.
Yes, it is a big circle. A tired circle.
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, I read a little in bed, maybe 10 minutes. Then I fall asleep. Fast.
10 o'clock? That is early. But you wake up before the sun, so it makes sense.
Exactly. I need my sleep. Sleep is very important.
It really is. Okay, everyone, we talked about our whole day, from the alarm clock in the morning to pajamas at night.
I loved hearing about your day, Alex, and Luna.
And I loved hearing about yours. And Max, he sounds like a very happy dog.
He is the happiest dog. Okay, everyone, that is all for today.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode about daily routines.
And we have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments below.
Are you a morning person, like Jamie? Or are you an evening person, like me?
Tell us. We love reading your comments.
And please, don't forget to subscribe to English Easily Speak.
And give this episode a like if you had fun. It helps us so much.
Share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, see you next time, Alex.
Bye, Jamie. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.